You may not want to see what I'm about to show you, but you're going to have to see it. Eyeliner running, mascara running. You know I got that workout in. You know I got the workout in. Guess what? We are 10 pounds down. 10 pounds down. Day 6 of the cabbage soup diet. 10 pounds down. All of this is sweat. All right? Talk to me nice.
Let me tell you this, on the road and me gal don't mix, I'm just alone.
You know what I mean? I am sweating profusely. Very happy. Very pleased. I am proud. This is a proud moment for me. Don't worry about me. Worry about yourself. Ashley is getting the work in. Ashley's 10 pounds down. 10 pounds down. Exercising straight after work. Eating right, eating clean. And I have a package that came in today. So I'm going to do a little unboxing to show you the goodies that I got. But first, a shower. Good morning. I know I shouldn't start the video off here, but I just need to show you this. See that? This is no waist trainer. You see that? You see that dip? When I dip, you dip, we dip. When I dip, you dip. That's what I'm looking for. We're making progress, baby. Curvature, curvature, curvature. Eating clean. You'll see that later. Body's giving. No waist trainer. No waist trainer. This is what I'm talking about. We're going to get rid of this little body. This back fat, yeah? I'm telling you, it's a wrap this summer. I want you to wind up, bunny. I want you. We come to party. We deserve to party. So, thank you now. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I will speak to you soon. I will also, did you get my email ID, username and password? Are we doing the cabbage soup diet? Not soup, but focusing on cabbage, purple cabbage this week with some couscous and some sweet chili shrimp. Very low salt, very low calories. Okay, look at my beautiful couscous under there. High in fiber, okay? High in fiber. This is not rice. Very good for you. Google couscous. And some shrimp. It's like a sweet chili shrimp. And a heaping spoonful of purple cabbage. This is going to be my lunch every day this week. No outside food. Everything I have will be little to no calories. Even my salsa water. Look at the nutritional facts. 3 calories. Ingredients: carbonated water, lemon juice. No sugar added. Nice. Very good. So this is my dinner for tonight. You can see all the purple cabbage. This is the couscous mixed up in there with the shrimp. All of this is fiber and vegetables. This is all good stuff. So it look like meat, but it's not meat. There's one piece of shrimp right there. There's another piece right there. But that's it, you know? But anyway, it was daylight savings. Your girl is tired. Very tired. Exhausted. So, calling it a night. Sometimes I save the rest for dinner. Sometimes I eat it for lunch the next day. Salsa water. 0 calories. Gonna get you one of these. Hey y'all, I know I haven't been talking much because today has been a rough day. But the cabbage soup diet is going very well. Your girl's waist is getting snatched. I don't want my waist trainer this week, but my tummy is like definitely going down. The waist is doing that thing. Okay, so I might bring my waist trainer tomorrow, you know, for some extra. But it's going well, just eating right. I did a high interval workout on Monday. Today is Thursday. And since Monday, I've just been walking. Fast-paced walking. The weather is getting better outside. So that's what I've been trying to do. And it's working. Next week, we have another plan. But the food is good. I'm eating clean. I'm sticking to it. No cheese, no rice, no soda, no high processed foods, no overly processed sodas, juice, none of that. It's going well so far, y'all. I'll keep you posted. Work is killing me this week. But this is day. How long it been since I started this? 5 plus 4, 9. Day 9. Cabbage soup diet. Cabbage soup diet. Like, comment, subscribe. You see, I'm dedicated. What? Come on now. Oh, kid. I'm tired. Good morning. I am exhausted. My wig is up to the high heavens. Look. Look. It's not down at all. Concealer, look. Fully lifted. Fully lifted. Happy Friday. It's 9:30 and I'm hungry. All I've been eating is the couscous, sausage, shrimp, and cabbage, purple cabbage. I've been eating this all week. Final weigh-in is gonna be this evening. This evening I step on the scale and I'm gonna tell you how much weight I lost. This is day 10 of the cabbage diet. Because I already know I slimmed down. Give it to me, give it to me, give it to me, baby. Let me get through this work day, because this week bust my cunt. And then I'll let you know the weight loss. Your girl been getting some miles in. I be walking. I be exercising every day. I walk after work. Not going home after work. I change my clothes and I go back outside and I go for a long walk. So I have been exercising. The only high intensity workout I did was one day, Monday. And then daylight savings came and knocked me off. Bro, knock me out clean. You understand? But anyway, when I get back on my sleep schedule, don't forget we have an unboxing of this supplement that I'm going to start implementing into my weight loss journey. Make sure you subscribe. If you ain't subscribed already, like, comment, subscribe. because this is a journey until summertime, you know. We now shaping the thing, man. We only just, you came at the right time. We got the ball rolling. And now we're just gonna take it up a notch. Let me eat. You gonna sit here and watch me eat? Bye. And my love has come along. It's time to step on the scale. I'm butt-ass naked. It's time for the moment of truth. Oh, God. No. What? No, wait. Hell no. Something ain't right. Wait. Hell fucking no. Nah. Let me do it again. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Because I was not. This is incorrect. That's at the end of day 5. No, day 6, no, this is not right. It's not right. Hold on 1 second. Let me go in the exact spot from last time. It's no fucking way, don't piss me off. Oh my God, there's no fucking way, don't piss me off. Oh my God, I promise y'all, I was 10 pounds down. So hold on 1 second. 1 second. Easy myself, easy. Maybe it's, hold on. Let's do it again. Okay. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm working with. I'm gonna do it again. You're lying. Let me pull it back over here. Because y'all seen the bullshit. Make it make sense. I'm gonna do it right over here. On the hardwood floor. Because make it make sense. See? Something wrong. Something is fucking wrong. Something is wrong. If it's defective, then my measurements are off. And then we could just scrap this whole motherfucking video. Piss me the hell off. This not making no sense. This is my cabbage soup for this week. Well, not my cabbage soup, but cabbage dinner for this week. It is curry shrimp with sweet potatoes, plenty of sweet potatoes, and cabbage. So I'm going to be packing this. I'm going to meal prep it. You know, I'm going to be taking this for lunch every day this week. And you guys, I'm going to tell you what happened with my measurements. Oh my goodness. Good morning. Why am I showing you my body? Because I found out this past weekend that my measurements are inaccurate. My starting weight is off. My current weight, the end weight of the cabbage soup diet after the 10 days, the weight that I've been tracking is just all inaccurate. So I cannot tell you that I lost X amount of weight. I'm very disheartened by that. It took me a few days, Saturday and Sunday, a couple days, to just wrap my head around that mistake. I didn't realize that when you put a scale on a carpet, it changes the weight, the accuracy of the scales. Y'all, I did the cabbage soup diet for 10 days. You could choose to believe me or not. The weight loss journey does not end here. I have some supplements that I'm gonna start implementing to kind of help me speed up the process, okay? So we're gonna do an unboxing. I just wanted to close this video out. I do have cabbage and curry shrimp today. So we're still continuing with the cabbage soup diet. I'm gonna remeasure myself this evening, and then we're just gonna track the progress using these supplements. I lost weight on the cabbage soup diet. I could tell in my chest area, in my neck area. What you want me to say? I made a big mistake. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'm still continuing this weight loss journey. Stay tuned.
Let me tell you this, on the road and me gal don't mix, I'm just all rona.